In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to hide liked videos on TikTok. To hide your liked videos on TikTok, this is how to do it. The first thing you want to do, you want to log into your TikTok app. So let's open up my TikTok over here. So guys, once you open up your TikTok, if you check the bottom right corner, that's where you have your profile. So I want you to tap on that profile. So guys, once you tap on profile, it will take you to your profile on TikTok. Then after this, the next thing you want to do is this. If you check the top right corner on your profile, the top right corner, you're going to see three lines over there. I want you to tap on those three lines. So guys, once you tap on those three lines, it will pop up a menu for you. So on this menu, I want you to tap on settings and privacy. So once you tap on settings and privacy, then it will take you to this page, to your back end office of your TikTok. So what you want to do on here, you want to scroll down, continue scroll down, but scroll down slowly. So once you continue slow down, you're going to see where it says liked videos. So I want you to tap on this liked videos. So once you tap on these liked videos, you can see my own liked videos is set to only me. You want to make sure this is set to only me. Once this is set to only me, this means only you can be able to view and see your liked videos on TikTok. So guys, this is how to actually hide your liked videos on TikTok. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.